Guys, welcome back to another Jungle's Travels. Daily vlog number 10. Losing count now. So, where am I today? Well, you've already seen me do the Canal tunnel at Diggle, walking down to the abandoned mill, and I've never actually been to the other end of the Canal tunnel at Marsden, which I believe has got a visitors centre and a bit of an attraction thing. So that's where I am, Marsden. So, first thing we see, we're in the car park for it, and this big old relic. No idea what it was for. I'm sure somebody will be able to tell me. Big cast iron everything. Anyway, let's crack on and we'll see what we can see in Marsden. See what sunny delights it has to offer. Right, let's crack on. First thing you will actually see behind me is that it's actually got a really large car park. So we got there 15-minute walk along the towpath. Basically gives you a bit of information about where to walk. And it's also right next to the railway line as well. So let's see what we can see, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Hopefully I'll enjoy it. Who knows? Right, let's crack on. So we've got the Marsden More Information Room there, next to the railway station. But I think the canal walk is down here. I hope it is. Only one way to find out, isn't there? There's a familiar sight, a lock gate. And the sound of rushing water. Right guys, so it looks like the building across there, I think, is the visitor centre, the museum. Gives you the history of the tunnel and everything. However, it's shut. Joys of COVID. But it doesn't look a bad little place. A little bit more going on than in Diggle. The Marsden's half a mile that way, and you got Slowit, or Slatewaite, depending how you pronounce it. Milnes Bridge, Longroyd Bridge. There you go. Your backpackers over there, taking the kids for a hike. Right. There's a cool waterfall there, so let's go and have a check that out instead. And again, another missing dog. Seems to be a lot of them going around at the moment. And then across there we've got a little cafe and a little car park there. I'm not actually sure how you get to the car park. If I'd have known where that was, I'd have actually parked there. So there is the entrance to the tunnel, I think. That's about as far as you can get. Classic V-dub. There's confirmation. Unfortunately, due to COVID, the visitor centre's shut. Does look like there's a pop-up cafe there, so I might grab a cup of coffee. There's actually pizza over out the back of the van. And they're pretty cool or pretty weird inside. Hello! Are you there, Stanley? So there you go guys, Standedge Tunnel, Marsden end. I'm actually surprised the gates are open as well, because at Diggle they're always locked. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We've got a little visitor centre there. I don't think there's going to be anything coming through today though. Although you never know, might by why the gates are open. You can see a little ledge there as well, which is quite cool. Anyway, so obviously there's a little bit going on more at the Marsden end than there is at the Diggle end. As you can see at the Marsden end, there's a nice little car park, little waterside cafe, nice little tourist spot. It's actually really pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I just thought I'd share it with you. I'm going to go and try and see if you can see that waterfall a bit better as well. That's quite curious though. Let's go and have a look. So, you've got the cafe down there. As you said on the as you saw on the sign there, please keep a sensible distance from the hives. There you go, beehives. Pretty cool, isn't it? Not often you come across a bunch of beehives, is it? It's got everything going on here, isn't it? Let's just hope I don't get stung. Tell you what, some beautiful houses there, aren't there? view. All the Marsden moor, visitor centre, looks like it was an old mill at some point. Yeah. So I actually reckon Marsden's quite a pretty little town. I nearly bought a house here once. Wish I hadn't now. Probably worth a fortune. Anyway, let's see if we can see this waterfall. I think it's over this wall here. So, you've got the 3 tunnels there. Remember the railway tunnels? Now the 2 to the left are disused. There's only the right side one that's open. This is actually quite an elaborate system, is this? So you've got the 3 tunnels, plus the canal tunnel under this bit, and then a water reservoir going over the top of the canal tunnel. That is pretty awesome. Pretty spectacular feat of engineering, gotta admit. There's your canal down there, and your railway lines. There you go, guys. Wow. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Another example of extraordinary Victorian engineering. They just knew what they were doing, didn't they? And they did it all by hand as well. You know, JCBs or diggers or doing stuff like that, it was all done by men, right? You've got to be impressed, haven't you? How impressive is that? Awesome. Right guys, I'm going to leave you there and say thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's little adventure. Got to go and pick the kids up from school now. But I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow night I'm going to camp out somewhere. Don't know where yet. We'll find somewhere. Saturday night, make a night of it. Out in the van somewhere, bit of cooking. It's a bit long haul tomorrow. Right, adios kids. Thanks for watching. So that is about as close as I can get. It's all on railway land, but basically this is an overspill for the reservoir over the banking, and there is the entrance to the railway tunnel, which is a double width tunnel. And at some point I'm going to go exploring in them 2 tunnels because they're really interesting. Plenty of videos on YouTube about it, so check them out. So again, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Adios, skis.